Hi, today we're going to learn how to find the surface area and volume of a cylinder. Let me go ahead and draw a cylinder. You can see that it's made up of two bases that are circles. And when we're dealing with cylinders, we will deal with the height of the cylinder as well as the radius. So let's say for this example that our radius is 2 centimeters and our height is 6 centimeters. So we're just going to plug those numbers into the surface area and volume formulas. We'll start with surface area. The formula for surface area is 2 pi r squared. Now that might look familiar. Pi r squared is the area of a circle. So what this part of the formula is finding is the area of the two bases, which are the two circles. And then that's plus 2 pi r times the height. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circles, and then that's times the height of the figure. So when we find surface area, we're finding how much is on the outside of this figure. So if we were to cover this cylinder with something, how much would we need? So let's go ahead and plug our radius 2 in anywhere we see an R, and then anywhere we see an H, we can put 6. So we have 2 squared here is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8 pi. And then here we have 6 times 2, which is 12 times 2, which is 24 pi. And since they're both in terms of pi, we can just add the coefficients. 8 plus 24 is 32 pi. Now, a lot of times we will leave the answer in terms of pi because it's the most accurate, but we can also plug it into the calculator. So if we take 32 times pi, we're going to get about 100.5, and this would be centimeters squared because we're dealing with area. Now let's take a look at volume. For volume, the formula is pi r squared times the height. Now volume, whereas surface area was what's on the outside, volume is how much can we fit inside of the object. So again, we can just plug in 2 for our radius and 6 for our height. 2 squared is 4. So now we have 4 times 6, that is 24 pi. And again, we can put that into the calculator, and that's going to be 75.4. And for volume, it is cubic units. So this would be cubic centimeters. So that is how to use the surface area and volume formulas for cylinders.